Good morning, it's the 15th of May 2024, just down here in Ventnor in the Undercliff on the Isle of Wight. Just going to have a quick look at Flowers Brook. Had a nightingale singing away in here a couple of weeks ago, so I thought I'd check it out, see if there's any migrant birds down here this morning. It's a lovely sunny start to the day, bit blowy, so I'll put the microphone on in a minute, but for now, let's just see if we can hear anything. I heard a white throat as I was getting out the car, which I assume is on territory now. Quick look up here, I think. I'm only going to go up on the kind of summit of this slope up here. Probably not even the summit. Just have a look at the sea quickly. So it is kind of mid-May now, so it's getting a bit late for much by way of migration. The philosks are kind of gone through well on territory by now. Wood warbler, nah, probably too late for one of those. So still swifts coming in off the sea probably. Not really on territory here as such yet. They've been prospecting. Tell me in the comments section if you've ever been on a bird watching trip to the Isle of Wight, and if so, do you ever come into the Undercliff? It's a hard place to come, and if you're trying to find rare birds, it's tricky because there's so much cover, but it does get nice birds. Just had a junco recently and eastern subalpine warbler. There's a rose-breasted grosbeak in the botanic gardens. Crag martin. So it's had all sorts of nice things, but pallid swifts, alpine swifts, bee-eaters, all the usual things you would expect. Serins every year. But yeah, the Undercliff itself doesn't get that much coverage, so if you want a birding holiday in somewhere that's not very well covered, then come here. Come to the Isle of Wight and come to the Undercliff. Well, it doesn't seem to be much doing around here this morning, so just enjoy the view. Do subscribe to the channel, by the way, if you've not already done so. Press a little like button, it helps people discover the channel. The more kind of engagement I get, like subscribers and people liking the videos, the more new people will discover it. And if you like individual videos, you can press the thanks button, which enables you to make a little donation towards my video content creation endeavours, but otherwise just enjoy the videos. Oh, it's a bit breezy actually today. No clouds as such, just misty murkiness bobbling up over the... Bobbling up, is that how it happens? Bubbling up, that's what I mean. Over the downs, up the top. But I think it's going to be a lovely sunny day today. Pied wagtail calling. Wander back down here to the car. Then wander into town to get a coffee, I think. Might quickly check out the East Cliffs in Ventnor. You never know. I mean, it is mid-May, which is the peak month for quality in terms of rare birds at this time of year, on spring migration at least. The old white throat is singing on territory, as always. Chattering away in there somewhere, the white throat. Actually, there he is, down on that twig down there. So I'm not sure what that was chattering away in there. Probably got my angles wrong. Probably was the white throat that was chattering. Just not where I thought it was. Tamarisks just beginning to come into flower. These ones don't really flower that well, to be honest. Unlike the ones down at Monk's Bay in Bonchurch, which have been beautifully in flower for the last few weeks, drawing in loads of insects for the birds. So not long now until the little walk down below will be open again. As you can see, they're working on it. Braving the elements. Really do need a cup of coffee, I think. Just on a day like this, when you're being distracted by a coffee, that a subalpine warbler or something pops up in front of you. Apart from the dog toilet, dog bin thingy, it's a cracking view here. Yeah, Devonshire Terrace tamarisks. One of these days there'll be a really good rarity in there. Salisbury Gardens to the right. And Oz, the little black dog. Right, I'm definitely going to wander back to the car and go down into town and grab a coffee now. Should you wish to support my channel, please do subscribe, that'd be great. And you can also support me via buymeacoffee.com and PayPal if you want. But yeah, I'm going to be uploading a couple of videos on one on chuff reintroduction and one on cell bunting reintroduction or translocation to the Isle of Wight. I'll also do a video on the Eagle project at some point, so stay tuned for those. But for now, enjoy your rest of your day. It's Wednesday today, and I shall upload another video probably tomorrow. But it's definitely going to be a cracking day. I really have to remember to put sun cream on today. Didn't put any on yesterday, having been putting it on scrupulously for the last week or two. And I got burnt yesterday, which is really, really annoying. I can really feel it now.